Let's go to the market. The stock market is close to ending its business. Of course, business has closed for today at the moment. But Effiong is to be standing by because visitors who are members of the management of ECOBank Transnational International are at the exchange to close trading. Let's cross over to my colleague, Effiong Ekop, who should be at the exchange. Effiong, how's it going?
Very well, it's okay, it's fine. We are here at the stock market, and already we've had a presentation by the management of ECOBank, and the market has closed. I should say that the management of ECOBank Transnational Incorporated came to the stock market to introduce the new CEO to the market community. The name of the new CEO is Mr. Jeremy Awori. He is the group CEO of ECOBank Transnational Incorporated. And the market welcomed the management of the bank so very well. They sang the family song, and the brokers asked the bank to develop cordial relationship with the management, and they too will in turn do their job by selling and then trading on the shares of the bank to the public in a way that it will enhance global growth. Tolu?
Yes, banking is very strategic, and you are in the banking corridor there in Lagos Island. Talk about major arguments or issues being raised by people against bankers, the cash crunch thing, and a lot of issues around banks. Some say they don't really want to lend some risky sectors or some risk-prone sectors. What do you make of that?
You would say that the times are really very hard, and majority of the people, especially banking customers, the major complaints comes around a liquidity problem, from the entire industry. You know what we had passed through in the last 3 months. Even though the banks are trying to bring money to the public, complaints still come of that. The money coming into the purses of many traders, not enough to keep with what they want. Again, they talk about transactional issues. Majority of them, the transfers are abortive, and they are not so happy about it because it takes some weeks, if not months, for some banks to be able to remedy that. Again, excessive charges on some of the banking services. These are the major complaints that banking customers have labeled against bankers. And I think that the central bank and those regulating the industry, they will do well to resolve some of these things because it's already making the banking industry to look ugly, to some of the customers, majority of who have refused to take money to the banks for savings. Tolu?
Hold your thoughts. Let me bring in Mr. Paul Ozum, who is joining us via phone to assess the performance of the market today. Mr. Paul, the market is 0.62% positive. We have the likes of Japan, Honeywell Flour, Julius Berger, Transcorp Holding, and Ikeja Hotel. What is your reaction to the market's performance for today after the holiday?
Well, there are two stocks driving activity in the market at the moment. Number one is Transcorp, and the rising is having a rally price of Transcorp today, which is driven by a major investment in the company by Femi Otedela, who is increasing his stake. Today, he has acquired over 6% of his shares in Transcorp, and it's likely that he might acquire some more. So that has triggered speculation by many investors into the stock, but trying to buy the shares as well. The rally is not driven by fundamentals. The stock is now the fundamentals to match the pricing. However, why I say so is that this is paid just 5 over dividend for the last financial year, and it's already trading at 2.69. Tomorrow, the stock will be trading at 10% higher than today's closing price. That will say it's trading as high as 2.95. what many investors are doing is just to follow the run, and when it gets to the peak, it will be selling off. And also, Access Bank publishes financial statement for 2022, which shows a very impressive performance. What we saw in Access Bank was that they're paying a final dividend of 1.30 kobo, which if we add that to the interim dividend they pay, that gives you 1.50 kobo as the total dividend for 2022. So investors are reacting to this information. Last trading day, last Thursday, Access Bank gave 10%, which is the maximum for the day. Today it gave over 7%, and today it was the largest traded stock in the market today, with over 2.3 billion takes on Access Bank alone. The market did 5 billion today, which was quite impressive, and we expect that as more results comes out, as we keep on seeing the Q1 financial statement of many companies, investors will keep on reacting to this. However, Access Bank has shown us what we expect from other banks that we expect in 2 days from now.
Mr. Osmamos, thank you so much for the detailed analysis of trading for today. A little bit of issues, but we were able to get the point out. Thank you so much, and do enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you.
So, Effiong, let me wrap up from your end, just like from where Mr. Paul stopped. He kept talking about the banks, and ECOBank just left the exchange. What are they bringing to the market, and what's your reaction to trading for today?
Well, ECOBank is a big institution here at the stock market, and it's been able to, open up itself and then spread investment opportunities to those who want to play big in stocks. And for some time, it's been able to pay regular dividends to investors, and the majority of the players, they rally around the stock of ECOBank. It is a continental bank, and I think the owners, those running the bank, they have the mind to make it a global institution. So for now, it is well respected, by market players, and we look forward to seeing what other products the banks want to bring to the stock markets. Sorry?
Interesting stuff there. I must thank you so much, Effiong Gekop. See you later in the day.